Do you use your hands a lot? Have chronic wrist or hand pain? Thinking of trying some of those hand massagers? Well, this is Estelle, and today I'm going to break down what this is, how to use it, and if it's even worth having, all from the expertise of a medical massage therapist. Hey Nova, what's up? Oh, don't worry. They know to like, follow, and subscribe. Everyone wants to empower their healing. This automated hand massager is available on Amazon. First, you put your hand through this opening. In some of them, there's an opening on the side for the thumb. Once your hand is in position, that's when you can turn it on. Most of them have different modes and intensity. With what I do, I personally use the highest setting. There is even a heat and vibration option. I do love this tool. After work, I really don't want to use my hands to help my hands. So this prevents that vicious cycle. This cannot do trigger point work though. Trigger points are a major source of pain, so I can't promise this tool will stop your pain if you use it every day, but it is great for pain caused by adhesions and contractures, especially caused from overuse. Another flaw is that this tool is often designed for the average hand size. So if your hands are big enough, this tool will not work for you very well. Some brands do have two size options though. I got the one with the heat and vibration since my hands are average size and I use my hands all the time for work. I'm not sure everybody needs the fancy version, but that's up to you. All in all, I give this tool one thumb up. If there's a product you want me to review next, leave it in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below if you have any questions.